Hello everyone. Today we're making chicken salad. I have some shredded chicken that I already boiled in chicken base and shredded. I've got some washed and sliced grapes, purple onions, some chopped celery. I have a few green onions. That's mayo. And I have some honey Dijon mustard. So we're going to dump this all in this bowl and we're going to get started. Okay. In goes the grapes, celery, purple onions, some green onions. Gonna put some mayo. We might need more. And our mustard. We'll mix this all up. Okay, so I stirred this up and tasted it. I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar, a little bit of ranch seasoning, just because, some more flavor. And just a dash of salt. And I'm gonna use Tony's. So now we'll stir this up again. I've got mine's about where I want it. I added a little bit more mustard. Didn't need any salt. I boiled that chicken with the chicken base and I put a little bit of that ranch in there. So this is fine for me. You just adjust it and put your own seasonings and make it your way. And thank me later. So here we go. Chicken salad with grapes. I paired it with some wheat crackers, some apple wedges or slices, and it's wonderful, y'all. If you try this, I promise you'll thank me later.